So the 2RT laser is a highly novel ophthalmic laser, and it's used for the treatment of early stages of age-related macular degeneration. It's highly novel because it's a very gentle laser that only targets very special cell types in the back of the eye. So laser therapy is commonly used in ophthalmology to treat a whole range of retinal diseases. What makes the 2RT laser so unique is that it shoots very small packets of energy into the back of the eye, whereas normal conventional lasers usually have much longer wavelengths of light, which means that the energy that's being delivered to the eye lasts a lot longer and therefore causes bystander damage. So we can treat disease in ophthalmology, but unfortunately we often have bystander damage and secondary damage to the neural retina when we use ophthalmic lasers. This particular laser, the 2RT laser, is completely unique. We can treat the back of the eye so gently that we don't cause any damage to the overlying neural retina. Well, what it does is that it targets its little small packets of energy to a particular cell type at the back of the eye. There's a cell type underneath our retina called the retinal pigment epithelium. These cells are very important support cells in the retina, and what the laser does is that it actually selectively removes a small number of these cells, and then as a part of healing after the laser has worked, we get a whole range of changes that occur in the back of the eye. These changes include cell division, making the retinal pigment epithelial cells new again and younger. We can actually make those cells divide and become daughter cells and much younger cells, and therefore they're much more functional and work much better in supporting the retina. The 2RT slows progression of disease in patients with early stages of age-related macular degeneration in probably two ways. We believe there are two fundamental things that are going on. First of all, it causes cells in the back of the eye, the retinal pigment epithelial cells, to divide. So this means we are making new cells which are younger cells, and these are very important cells that support the retinal function and vision. So by having daughter cells, all of the aging effect we see at the back of the eye have been removed. So that's the first thing. And the second thing that occurs is that as these cells heal, they change the genes at the back of our eyes, and those genes mean that more nutrients can get from the blood vessels into the neural retina where it's needed. And so we actually have an improved health of our eyes as well as a consequence of this laser treatment.